In the world of custom furniture manufacturing, every order comes with challenges. Sales reps spend hours going back and forth with customers. Approvals drag on for days. Miscommunication leads to costly mistakes, and frustrated buyers walk away. 3DT changes the game. Our intelligent platform streamlines the entire sales journey, giving customers the freedom to design their dream furniture in real time, while your team focuses on closing more deals. With 3DT, customers personalize furniture online with photorealistic rendering. Pricing updates automatically with every change, and orders integrate directly into your CRM and ERP, eliminating delays and manual errors. The results speak for themselves. What used to take 3 days now takes just 9 hours. Manual mistakes are reduced by 90%, and conversions can grow up to 3 times, multiplying your sales opportunities. Leading manufacturers like Carvito, The Cabinet Shop, Technique already rely on 3DT to transform their sales process, saving time, boosting revenue, and delighting customers. 3DT cut our order process by 80%. 3DT is the smarter way to sell custom furniture. Faster approvals, greater accuracy, higher profitability. Ready to transform your business? Let's build the future of furniture together.